Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to generate document with ChatGPT and enhance PDF documents by adding annotations using PDF.co and Zapier. We provide a link of the full tutorial in the description box below. Come and visit PDF.co for more additional information. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open your Zapier account and create a Zap. Next, navigate to the Action step and proceed to add the ChatGPT app. And select the Conversation option. This will allow you to send a chat to OpenAI and generate a text completion based on your input. Now connect your ChatGPT account to Zapier. This allows Zapier to access your ChatGPT data and use it in your workflows. Let's configure the ChatGPT settings. Start by entering the message you want the AI assistant to respond to and generate. You can also set parameters such as username, assistant instructions, and model value to customize the response. In this demo, we will use the default value provided by ChatGPT. Then add a unique memory key value to allow the assistant to continue the conversation from the previous message. After setting up the configuration, it's important to test the action and ensure that the document is generated correctly. ChatGPT successfully processes our request and return a generated document. Let's proceed to add another app and convert it to PDF. In this step, we will integrate the PDF.co app and select the HTML to PDF converter option to transform the generated document into a PDF format. Now connect your PDF.co account to Zapier by adding the API key. You can obtain the API key from your PDF.co dashboard. Let's set up the PDF.co configuration. First, let's add the assistant message response from ChatGPT to input HTML or URL to convert field. Next, customize the parameters such as page orientation, page size, margins, and other parameters according to your preferences. For this demo, we will use the default values. Then enter your desired name of your generated PDF file. After setting up the configuration, we will now proceed to test the action to convert the generated document from ChatGPT to PDF format. The test was successful in converting the generated document to PDF format. You may copy the URL and paste it into your browser to view the output. Here's the generated PDF document that we successfully converted from ChatGPT response. Now let's add another app to enhance the PDF document by adding annotations. In this step, we will add again the PDF.co app and choose the PDF filler option to allows us to add annotations to a PDF document. Let's configure the PDF.co settings. Start by selecting the output URL of the generated PDF file. Next, specify the X and Y coordinates where you want to add the annotations, along with the page range. Then input the text and notes you want to include in the PDF document, along with the desired font name, font size, and font color. You can use the PDF.co PDF Edit Add Helper tool to get the coordinates of the PDF document. Now let's proceed with testing the action to verify that we have successfully added annotations and enhanced the PDF document. The test was successful and the PDF document now includes the added annotations. To view the output, please copy the URL provided and paste it into your web browser. Here's the PDF document that has been successfully enhanced and added annotations. You can now use this PDF document to review important information, share it with colleagues or clients, or store it as a reliable reference for future use. To learn more about PDF.co and its features, we invite you to check out our tutorials available on our website. You may also visit our YouTube channel where you can find a variety of informative contents. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching.